Why do window functions exist? Let's say your manager asks, show me the highest paid employee in every department. Sounds easy. So you try group by, and suddenly all the individual employee rows disappear. That's because group by summarizes the data. But in analytics, we often need calculations without losing the original row. That's exactly why window functions exist. Group by versus window functions. This is the biggest difference. Group by reduces the rows, window functions do not. Look carefully. On the left, group by gives only department summaries. But on the right, window functions calculate averages, but still keeping every employee row visible. That's what makes them incredibly powerful. Over function. Every window function starts with over. Think of over as telling SQL which row should participate in the calculation. Without over, there is no window function. It's the foundation of everything you are about to learn. Partition by. Partition by splits the data into smaller internal groups. Almost SQL secretly creates mini tables behind the scenes. Then calculations happen independently inside each group. So instead of ranking all the employees together, SQL can rank employees department by department. Row number. Here is exactly what SQL is doing. Step 1. Separate employees by department. And next step, inside each department, sort salaries from highest to lowest. And step 3, assign row numbers starting from 1. That's why every department gets its own ranking. Row number gives every row a unique number. Always unique. Even if two employees have the exact same salary, the row numbers will still be different. This function is heavily used for pagination, top-end problems, or deduplication. Rank. Rank handles ties differently. If two employees have the same salary, they get the same rank. But SQL skips the next number. Example, if you see 1, 2, 2, 4. Notice how rank 3 disappears. The gap is the key behavior of rank. Dense rank. Dense rank is almost identical to rank, except for one important difference. No gap. So instead of 1, 2, 2, 4, you will get 1, 2, 2, 3. This is one of the most common SQL interview questions. Memory trick. Row number equals to every row is unique. Rank, ties create gap. Dense rank, ties without gap. If you understand this slide, you will never confuse ranking functions again. Entile. Entile divides rows into buckets. For example, entile of 4. This splits rows into 4 equal groups. This is commonly used for quartiles, percentiles, customer segmentation, and analytics reports. Deterministic ordering. Now, here is the real production level concept. Suppose two employees have the same salary. Which one gets ranked first? Sometimes SQL may return different results in different executions. Why? Because the ordering is incomplete. That's why engineers add tiebreaker columns like order by salary descending, employee ID ascending. So this guarantees stable and predictable results.